Hi viewers, welcome to the channel. My name is Bhaskar. Today I will take you through various general knowledge questions that comes in essay exam and various other competitive exam. Let's have a look to the first question. In India, which one of the following states has the largest inland saline wetland? Option A, Gujarat, B, Haryana, C, Madhya Pradesh, D, Rajasthan. So the answer is Rajasthan. The reason why it is Rajasthan, because it has a lake called Sambar Salt Lake and is the largest inland salt lake, which is located 80 km southeast of the city of Jaipur and 64 km northeast of Ajmer. That is in Rajasthan, and it's around the historical Sambar Lake town as well. Second question. In the context of Indian wildlife, the flying fox is a option A, bat, B, kite, C, stork, D, vulture. The answer is B. The reason why it is called a flying fox is because their heads look similar to those of foxes. There's a reason it is called flying fox, and it is nothing but it's a bat. Question number 3. With the reference to the mineral sources of India, consider the following pairs. Mineral 90% national resources in the state. So we have to compare this pair. Whether copper Jharkhand, that means copper 90% available in Jharkhand, nickel 90% in Orissa, tungsten 90% in Kerala. Which one of this pair is correct? We know copper majority found in Jharkhand, but it is not 90%. It's not specified. But nickel we know it is 92% found in Orissa. Tungsten is not found 90% in Kerala, so you cannot select tungsten or copper. The answer is 2, that is nickel Orissa. But as per the below option A, B, C and D, B is the answer, 2 only. That means nickel are found in 90%, more than 90% in Orissa. And if you see the below explanation, that will show you the more details about the availability of the mineral in the state. And you can see 92% of total nickel reserve of India is found in Orissa. So 2 is the answer. Question number 4. The brothers Umakant and Ramakant Gundecha are option A, Dhrupad vocalists, B, Kathak dancer, C, Sarod maestros, D, Tabla Players. The answer is option A, that is Dhrupad vocalists. And if you look out in the Wikipedia, it is Gundecha brother. If you see, it is clearly mentioned about there. They are Indian classical singer of Dhrupad genre of Dagarvani, and they are also known as Gundecha brothers. So our option is A, that is Dhrupad vocalists. Let us have a look to our next question. Which state of India has recorded the highest rate of population growth in last census of 2001? The answer is option C, that is Nagaland. As per the census of 2011, I think it is Uttar Pradesh, but for year 2001 it is Nagaland. Let us have a look to question number 6. What is the maximum period during which Parliament may not meet? What's the maximum time frame they can not meet between the two sessions? The maximum period is 6 months. 6 month gap should not be more than that between two parliament sessions, and the minimum gap between two sessions of a parliament is 90 days. That's for additional information. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for upcoming videos where I will include more questions of similar type. Thank you very much.